If you are looking for a hydrating, strengthening, and vegan set of shampoo and conditioner, I really love this set I was gifted from Remilia. This is the Green Goddess set, and there's a lot to love here. Now, I have tested this shampoo before, and my hair loved it. It was very, very nice and light to wash through my hair, and it just felt softer and stronger afterwards. And I'm always dealing with dry, brittle hair, so anything that makes my hair softer and lighter, even with how fine it is fantastic. And I love that this has rosemary oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and green tea extract in it. So it's really going to help with antioxidants and all that wonderful hydration and that strengthening thanks to the rosemary oil. And on the box, they claim that it is made in the USA and they are based out of Los Angeles, California, which I love. It means I can really trust that this is a vegan product as promised and is a very clean product. Now, I did use both of these this morning and my hair is very happy. It's a little bit fuzzier, which often happens when I switch shampoo and conditioner, and it's a very hot day. But I am loving how my hair feels, and I know that the more I use this, my hair will just become a little softer, hopefully a little thicker, and if anything, at my age, all I really want is to not lose any more hair or have it become any more brittle. I'm in my mid-40s, so I'm mostly fighting hormones here, and that's why I need a really great shampoo that really meets my hair where it's at and supports it. Now, the shampoo and the conditioner have interesting tops. They have this cork top, and then they each have this little spout that you pop open, and then it just smells amazing. It's a really nice light smell. It's mostly the rosemary and tea tree oil, I think, because it's not very strong, just lovely. I think it's just the ingredients in it. And then this will suds up really, really nice with water, of course, in your hair. It's a wonderful shampoo. Now, the conditioner is also fantastic, and it has those same key ingredients: the rosemary oil, coconut oil, avocado oil, and green tea extract, and it has that same top. I actually just don't use the tops for the most part. They're really pretty, but when it's in my shower, I just use the little cap. And if you don't want the cap, you can pop this off completely too, but it's kind of nice as it keeps it well sealed. And I've only used the conditioner one time so far, so I will definitely come back after 30 days, after I've really tested this whole set, to show you if it's made a difference for me. But this is the conditioner, a little thicker, lighter on the scent, really nice. And finally, if you do want to use the really cool cork tops, you can just take this portion out. It's not required to keep it in, and then it's just an open bottle top. That works great too. This is a wonderful set, and I think you're gonna love it.